Hey, it's Noelle from the Directors Club, and if you know me, I love a checklist. And so checklists are used for cleaning in many childcare centers or lists to do things. And so here are some other ways that we use them at my childcare center that might inspire you to implement them at yours or create a brand new checklist that's going to work for your childcare center. One thing that we use checklists for is rest time checklists. So we hang a rest time checklist in every single classroom, and the lead teacher in the room is responsible for what goes on it. And she could put things on like during rest time to direct what everyone in the room is going to do. Because usually during rest time is when the lead teacher goes on her lunch break and the other teacher in the room does as well. And so they're just, are they sitting around or they have things to do? And so what we do is we come up with a rest time checklist and it has all different things on it. Picking up from lunch, cleaning things, preparing art projects. And we leave an empty section on the bottom and the lead can write something on that might need to get done on top of anything because they might be caught up, but it just gives them some stuff to
Hey
do.
there, it's Noelle from the Directors Club. I'd love you to join me for 3 virtual working lunches to learn to set up my 5-step plan to effectively create a center operations system. This is so you can easily manage, up-level, scale, or step back from your childcare center. The list of things we need to do to operate our childcare centers is enormous. I created a system 18 years ago that helped me manage my childcare center and give me more time back. Wherever you are today and wherever you want to be tomorrow, the Success Map is the plan to maintain your childcare center and be ready for the next step. Are you ready to be the next director I help? Click the link below, and I can't wait to help you with your Success Map.
We also have an opening checklist. So there have been times when a teacher has opened in a room that's not her room, that maybe she doesn't know how to open it. And so we've come up with with an opening checklist of like what gets done first, how things get done, where things are located. We also have a closing checklist. So it does the same thing on the opposite end of the day. This assists whoever is opening or closing a classroom. And it's also a great tool to mentor a new teacher. Think about a new young teacher that really doesn't have a lot of experience. You can give them a checklist of how to close the classroom, certain activities to be done, certain direction to give to someone in the classroom to help out. So it can be a great tool to help you mentor teachers as you're onboarding them to your childcare center. We also have checklists called downtime checklists. And this is a checklist hung in every classroom. And so if maybe the two teachers are in, but they only have a couple of kids. So they could use that as downtime. And anything that's on the downtime checklist, they can do. So it could have get a project ready, something special the teacher wants done. So it really doesn't matter what goes on it, but it could be something that could help you guys save time. Because think about it, sometimes during rest time, opening or closing at the end of the day, you could have this extra pockets of staff. And if you strategically plan things that you'd like to get done, or it would be helpful, wouldn't it be great if this was done? Put that on the list, and that can help with a variety of different things. We have a checklist in the office, procedures that we do each day. You could put a checklist in a new employee folder or a new student folder, like a enrollment checklist. Also, we have an extra office checklist. And so this is things that we would all love done if there's ever an extra. Those like hour here, half hour there, sometimes you end up with people. Instead of sending somebody home, you could do something to benefit your center and have them take it right off of the extra checklist in the office. The other two places we have checklists are in the kitchen, cleaning checklist. We have how to stock the room checklist. And we even have a back room checklist with all of our arts and crafts and all different things that we keep in the back, the extra toys. And we have a checklist back there, how to organize it, how to order things. So a checklist is a tool for you that you want to create consistency or create awareness on how to use something at your center or how to mentor somebody, like steps to close a classroom. That can really benefit your employees and you as you're mentoring and coaching your teams. So checklists really provide a good classroom management tool and how to get things done. Think about it if you had this extra projects checklist in the office and you had these little pockets of extras, you could get things done quicker that you could take off of your to-do list. So think of things like that you can do. You can be really strategic with all of your extras. So I hope that you can add a new checklist to your childcare center to help you stay more organized and create better systems for your center to benefit your teachers, your students, and yourself. I hope you have an awesome day and know I'm cheering you on. Bye, everybody.